Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your folder icon with your picture. So I'm going to select this photo. You can choose any photo you want. Go to your browser and search JPEG to ICO. And go to this first website. Go to this website, convertio.co. Here you need to upload your file. From choose file, upload your file. Then click on convert. Then download your file. If you have icon file, then you don't need to convert your file. Simply click on download. Now I'm going to use this one in my folder. Now you can see my icon photo from here. I'm going to create new folder and go to properties. In customization, click on change icon. From here, browse your icon and click on OK and click on apply. Now as you can see, our folder icon is changed with this image. So in this way you can easily create your folder with your image. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.